Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the faucet in Splintergames. So the first thing you need to go is the faucet tab in the Splintergames Discord. You type in S exclamation point drink and the 4-digit code that pops up here. So soon it's going to pop up. And how do I know that? Is because every 10 minutes it's a new thing pops up. So this is free DEC SPS that people give to the faucet, and every 10 minutes, 10% of it just drips out of the faucet. So far, there's like 36 DEC in the faucet. So it's going to be around 1 DEC if there's 3 people in it. So, yeah, just waiting for the faucet to drip right now. And I'll put in the 4-digit code and press enter. And we get that DEC. Here you go. So the code is 8,386. How do I know that? It's right here. 8,386. You press enter and you're in. And you'll get that DEC. We'll do it again just in case. Exclamation point drink 8,386. Enter. That's how you do that. So wait 30 seconds. That 30 seconds so people can type it in, and here I got it right here. 1.83 DEC, and that's how you do it. If you want to support me, like donate cards, DEC, SPS, whatever, it's at Project 10 back. Yeah, or just say hi in the Discord. And let me know that you saw this video. Thanks. Bye.